A pleasant morning to all of you. Walang pasok, no? Yung mga government officials, tsaka mga estudyante. Wala namang ulan, Preventive. My dear sisters and brothers, let us not for a moment think that the gospel is only for the scribes and Pharisees. The gospel speaks to us too. It speaks about us too. Jesus may also be calling us, "Woe to you, you hypocrites." Why? Because there is always temptation to all of us to clean the outside. You cleanse the outside of cup and dish, but inside they are full of plunder and self-indulgence. Alam po ninyo, during martial law, sino ba umabot dito ng martial law? From 72 to 81 until dineclare na lifted na yung martial law ng 81 kasi dadating si Pope John Paul II. Pero actually, there was still martial law until 86 when they were kicked out. I remember we had a first lady then who was obsessed with beautification program. When you go to Quirino Osmeña Expressway, that's part of my former parish in Paco, there was a long wall there, yung pader, na merong mga arko-arko bilang mga daan. You know, behind the wall are people living in squatter area. When I was in Paco, I asked the parishioners, bakit may pader dyan? Kasi nahihirapan din sila lumabas at pumasok. Sabi nila, natatandaan po namin, pinatayo ito noong gagawin dito yung Miss Universe. It was in 1974. That was the first time that the Miss Universe pageant was held in Manila, 1974. If I'm not mistaken with the date, it was martial law then. So gusto ng ating dating First Lady, lahat ng dadaanan ng mga contestants ay magaganda. Kaya tinakban yung mga ng pader, yung mga lugar kung saan mapangit. Ganyan tayo. Pinagaganda natin yung nakikita. I'm sure before you went to the cathedral earlier this morning, you took a shower. Hindi. No. Okay. Hindi naman malamig No. Okay. Or at least you wash your face. You put on your makeup. Ginuhit yung kilay. Siguruhin yung pantayan. Okay. Nag-toothbrush. We dress up. Why? Nakakahiya naman. Pupunta ka ng katedral hindi magandang ayos mo. And that is the that is the temptation. Yung gawing maayos, yung nakikita lang ng tao. Bakit? Kasi yun ang mas madali Di ba? Maligo ka lang, magpunas ka lang ng mukha, magsuklay ka lang, ayos na. But I wonder, how many of us who go to Mass, try to go to confession also? Or I wonder, how many of us who go to Mass try to change what is inside and cleanse what is dirty inside? Mas mahirap yun. Kaya sinasabi sa atin ng Panginoon, cleanse first the inside of the cup so that the outside may also be clean. Let us not be like other people who are only obsessed with beautifying what can be seen by people. Remember, God sees through it. Nakikita niya hindi lamang ang labas, kundi ang loob. Maaaring sa harap ng tao, maaaring maganda tayo, pero ano ang laman ng ating loob? Pwede nating lokohin ang mga tao, pero hindi natin pwedeng lokohin ang Diyos. Amen.